Hi, my name is Shiven Patel. I am Go to Bellarmine, and I am a rising sophomore. So I decided for my first milestone, I decided to make it software based. So I essentially have the whole smart mirror, essentially the basic smart mirror done. So the first thing I did was I downloaded a Raspberry Pi Python TK imager onto a micro SSD card, and from that in my computer on my Mac, I transferred it to my Raspberry Pi. And after that, I downloaded a VNC viewer on my Mac, which helped transfer things from my Mac to my Raspberry Pi a lot more efficiently. And I also connected a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard to my Raspberry Pi, and I connected a monitor to my Raspberry Pi so that I can see what's going on and start programming and look at the terminal and the config.js, everything. And after that, to code the smart mirror, I used a Magic Mirror Builder's kind of like a guide, and I copied and pasted some of the programming on there. And I used different APIs, and I kind of just figured out what everything was. And I looked at the config.js, the sample, and I kind of, with the default template, I just learned what it was, and I was just learning everything, and I was getting used to everything. And for my next milestone, I would like to have completed all my modules on my smart mirror, and I would like to have a fully customized display. And after that, I will start working further on the hardware customizations for my third milestone. So the first thing I did was as I said before, I got my micro SSD, which is just fit inside there, and I transferred the imager from my Mac to my Raspberry Pi, which is right here. And when I downloaded the VNC viewer, this is my monitor with my Raspberry Pi, the VNC viewer is on my Mac. The VNC viewer is essentially a mirror from what is shown on my monitor so that I can transfer code from my Mac to my Raspberry Pi easily, and I can do anything I want on here that shows up on here as well. So my config.js sample, this, if I open it up right here, show my viewer. So these are all the APIs down here. This is like an alert, the update notification, the clock, the calendar. For my second milestone, I would like to have that fully customized. And this is the terminal I used for the programming. Thank you.